Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Renown Crewneck. First, we'll dive into understanding what renown truly means in your journey and why it's so valuable. Then, we'll clearly outline the exact requirements you'll need to meet to unlock this stylish and exclusive item. After that, I'll share some top strategies to help you efficiently earn those crucial renown points. Finally, we'll cover the simple steps to claim your well-deserved crewneck once all your hard work pays off. Let's get started. Renown is essentially your reputation and recognition within the game's universe. It's a measure of your dedication and accomplishments, often gained through various in-game activities. To earn the coveted Renown Crewneck, you'll generally need to achieve a significant renown milestone, perhaps reaching renown level 50 or even higher. Always keep an eye on your in-game profile or the dedicated achievements section to monitor your current renown standing and see how close you are to your goal. To efficiently boost your renown, prioritize activities that offer the highest returns. Daily and weekly quests are fantastic for consistent gains, often providing a few hundred renown points each. Don't forget to join public events or take down powerful world bosses with other players, as these often yield significant group renown. Completing your main story missions and campaign objectives will also provide substantial one-time renown rewards. And if your game offers it, player versus player combat can be a quick way to earn points too. Once you've successfully reached the required renown level, claiming your crewneck is usually straightforward. Head over to the specific rewards vendor or an achievements NPC in your game's main hub. The Renown Crewneck should then be listed as an available item for you to claim. Sometimes, a small amount of in-game currency might be needed to finalize the claim, so be prepared. Congratulations! You've earned it. Now, equip your stylish new crewneck and showcase your hard-won dedication to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.